Welcome to Case Law Videos. Today we are going to discuss about a Supreme Court judgments in Mukesh Kumar vs Union of India dated the 24th of February 2022. This judgment was pronounced by Justices U. Lalit, S. Ravindra Bhatt and P. S. Narasimha. The judgment was authored by Justice P. S. Narasimha. The short issue arising for consideration, in this case, is whether the condition imposed by the Railway Board circular that compassionate appointment cannot be granted to children born from the second wife of a deceased employee is legally sustainable. The issue is covered in Union of India vs V.R. Tripathi, 2019-14 SCC 646. The court held that the scheme and the rules of compassionate appointment cannot violate the mandate of Article 14 of the Constitution. Once Section 16 of the Hindu Marriage Act regards a child born from a marriage entered into while the earlier marriage is subsisting to be legitimate, it would violate Article 14 if the policy or rule excludes such a child from seeking the benefit of compassionate appointment. The circular creates two categories between one class and it has no nexus to the objects sought to be achieved. Once the law has deemed them legitimate, it would be impermissible to exclude them from being considered under the policy. Exclusion of one class of legitimate children would fail to meet the test of nexus with the object, and it would defeat the purpose of ensuring the dignity of the family of the deceased employee. This judgment has now been followed by a number of high courts as well. Given the above, the court held that the issue arising for consideration, in this case, is covered by the judgment in Union of India vs V.K. Tripathi. Consequently, the judgment and order of the High Court of Patna is set aside. The appellant Shri Manish Kumar cannot be denied consideration under the scheme of compassionate appointments only because he is the son of the second wife. There shall be a direction to consider his case as per the extant policy. The authorities shall be entitled to scrutinize whether the application for compassionate appointment fulfills all other requirements in accordance with the law. The process of consideration of the application shall be completed within a period of 3 months. The appeal is accordingly allowed.